TikTok, how to add voiceover. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add a voiceover on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to add a voiceover on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application over here. Once you launch the TikTok application, you will be able to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen and then make sure to upload a photo or a video, whatever else it is that you prefer here. Once you've done that, if you want to add a voiceover, on the right hand side you can see all these options where you can just tap this little arrow icon. You'll find the option called voice. So now you can tap the voice option and now you can just hit the record option in order to record whatever voice that you want to record over here. And once you go ahead and record a certain part of the voice, you can just tap the done option and then you will be able to add that voice in different sort of effects that you see here. And this way you should be able to add a voiceover on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.